All right, so we're back home up here in Leadville where it all started for us with the music. Today I've got, let's see, whole full family jam today. I've got my brother Tim, you all know from Desert Heat. I got my son Jake. I got my son Tristan. And I got my dad who manages Desert Heat and who also played in several bands out here in Eastern Townships back in the day. What's your dad? Alice and the Wonders, the Breaking Point.
Yeah, and Piccadilly Circus.
Piccadilly Circus.
Syndicate.
All right. So you guys probably saw him back in the day playing all over the place. Where was the big place you used to play all the time?
Terrace Inn, Abercorn.
Yeah.
JP.
Oh yeah, and JP too, right?
Yeah.
Back when you're allowed to cross the border. All right, so we're gonna do a jam today here up in Leadville. We had a request for some CCR, so we'll do that one. Ready? Someone told me